Okay, now it's a little bit trickier when you try to do it for this thing, but let's go ahead and do that one as well. We'll extend our optical axis to do a similar sort of question. What happens to my tree? Or whatever this thing is. Looks more like a mushroom now, but that's okay. This thing that we are trying to image, what is it going to do? So again, we have the three special rays. We consider one that's going with the optical axis. All right, what happens to a ray which is going along the optical axis? It is made to diverge away from the focal point. So I need to consider this sort of line back to my focal point, and therefore continue that line on the other side. So we've made these rays diverge over this way. Somehow, something like that. Our ray through the center of the lens will again not do anything. That ray is unaffected as it travels through the lens. So where's the center? There's the center. That's where I'm headed. Something like that. And it just keeps going. All right, so the last thing I need to do is draw this special pink ray leaving. And where is it going? It's supposed to go through the focus, but this time I want to aim it at the far side focus. So I'm trying to do this sort of line. It looks something like that. Maybe, oops. Something kind of like that. Now why am I doing that? Because if this is a line which was going back to that focus, then I know that it comes out parallel over there. Right, so this is just running it backwards. If it was coming parallel to the axis, then it diverges away from that focus. So now that's why I'm aiming it there, and I know it comes out parallel. But now I have a huge problem. My special rays seem to have completely failed to generate an image, right? I'm never intersecting any of those. So what's going on? The trick lies in, with the diverging lens, right, everything relied, even the definition of focal length relied on pretend the lens isn't there and track the final rays backwards. So that's what we're going to do here. Track this one back. Aha, it intersects my blue track, which we drew to guide how we were diverging. Right, and even, you can see that my little central ray, this guy over here, is intersecting roughly at that same point. So indeed, I'm creating an image right here of that tree. And it would look, I'm going to shade it solidly in so that it's actually visible. It would look something like that. So it's been scrunched down a bit. It is still upright. Okay, so that's this thing. I'll shade this one too just to make it look sort of the same. So this image has ended up here with a diverging lens.